Hello, my name is Christine Ryan. I am with Business Link North Carolina, a program of the North Carolina Department of Commerce. You may reach us at our website at www.blnc.gov or toll free at 1-800-228-8443. This is one of several tutorials designed to answer common questions about how to start and run a business in North Carolina. The topic of this tutorial is tax identification numbers other than the Employer Identification Number, or EIN, which is covered in a different tutorial. Please note, this tutorial is designed for general, informational, and educational purposes only. It is not intended to be a substitute for professional advice, whether legal, accounting, or otherwise. Business owners are often confused about tax identification numbers, and for good reason. There are several ID numbers that a business might need to obtain to operate, and each number has a different purpose. One of the first numbers a business needs is an Employer Identification Number. That's often called the EIN. An EIN can be obtained for free at the website www.irs.gov, and it takes about 10 minutes. If your business is operating in North Carolina and is going to sell products or services that are subject to a sales tax, you will need to obtain a Sales and Use Tax ID number, which is completely different than the EIN. In addition, if the business is going to have employees, you will need to obtain an Income Tax Withholding ID number. Sometimes a business will both sell products and services and have employees. The good news is that the tax ID numbers will be the same and are obtained by completing the same form, the NCBR, which stands for North Carolina Business Registration. That form comes from the North Carolina Department of Revenue. You can obtain the ID numbers using a link on our website, which connects you with the North Carolina Department of Revenue's website itself. You can also complete the form online and print it and mail it in. Before completing the form, you will need to have handy your federal EIN or your Social Security number, whatever you use to identify the business. In addition, if you are a corporation or limited liability company, or LLC, you will need your North Carolina Secretary of State ID number to put on the form. That can be obtained from the Secretary of State's website. To access the form on our website, go to www.blnc.gov and click on Business Forms under Quick Links. Once on that page, you click on Business Tax Information under the Start Your Business link. And under Business Tax Information, you can either apply online by clicking here, or complete the web fill-in form and print it out and mail it in to the North Carolina Department of Revenue. Certain other businesses, like manufacturers and recycling facilities, will also need to use the NCBR form and pay a different tax on certain equipment purchases and other functions. It's best to check with the North Carolina Department of Revenue to determine which taxes would apply to your business activities. Also, if you have one or more employees, you will probably be responsible for paying unemployment insurance tax. Registering for unemployment insurance is separate and completely different from employee income tax withholding, and that requires a different form which is not addressed in this tutorial. One of the best ways to ensure that you have complied with state rules and regulations about your business is to contact Blink early in your business process. If you have any questions about this topic or others related to your small business, you can visit the Blink website at www.blnc.gov or call us Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. at 1-800-228-8443. We're here to help you and your business succeed.